So good morning all. Today after a long time again I'm going for a ride. It's a long weekend. So first of all, bye bye to office and let's meet office on Monday. And today the place where I'm going is very beautiful, historic and amazing place. It's a UNESCO recognized site, that is Hampi. So far I woke up very late today and the ride has just started. Let's see what is the traffic board of Bangalore, how much traffic I'm going to get. It will take me around like 6 hours, not more than that, because I saw in the videos road is very nice. So let's explore the place and let's enjoy the ride. The route is I'm taking Bangalore to Chitradurga, and from there I will take the Hampi route. So it's all about again Bangalore-Mumbai highway. Now for the last couple of rides I fell in love with this route. That's why every time that route is calling me. The amazing fact is that my friend Prajwal, his hometown is there, and I will. Today he is working, so maybe today he won't join me for places to explore. So tomorrow we have a plan. Let's see. Bojo, coming soon, bro. At this time, 7 o'clock in the morning, Bangalore is getting huge traffic. Now this is opening. Okay. Luckily it's not stopping traffic, it's a moving traffic. Nice music is getting played in the background. Actually very fastly I've covered till Nepal. The main pain is to move out of Bangalore. I will get congestion till Tumkuru because roads are getting constructed, lots of diversions are there. It's a never-ending divergence. But after that, the geographical location will change, views will change, road will change, everything will change, and I will also change. Ground floor. So Hampi is very long in the pending list. I was like planning for last couple of years to go to Hampi, but several factors were there where I didn't went. But now I got a very good opportunity to explore the place. I thought, let's see, I have a plan. First, let's explore the Hampi, and then we'll see if possible I can explore Badami also. It's a 150 kilometers away from Hampi. Let's see whether we can. I can cover that place also. That is also a UNESCO heritage site. So let's see. So far Hebal, the most popular Hebal traffic is covered up. Now let's roll. Let's increase the speed, bro. Traffic. I don't know when I will get rid of this traffic. is also patchy, man. So quick update of the ride. So I have covered 100 kilometers. 234 kilometers more to go. So far, the ride is awesome. The roads are awesome. People are awesome. Everyone is awesome. And I'm the super awesome. I had one tea break, and now it has been almost like 22 half an hour back. I have taken after crossing the Chitradurga toll gate, so I had my first tea of the morning. Let's see, I will have my breakfast somewhere around Chitradurga. So far, I'm enjoying my ride. See the scenic view of this patch. I love this patch because of these views. This is going to be superb now. See the scenic, the geography. It's changing like anything. Oh my god. This totally jungle view is, oh my god. Oh my god. And the music in the background, oh, totally in the Bollywood mood. Nice view, awesome song. Why not Hampi? Another 230 kilometers more. Come on, rider, come on, let's do it. Oh. I'm feeling a little bit hungry also. I don't know. I'm planning to have breakfast in Chitradurga, but I don't know if I feel more hungry that I will have early also. And it's a proper local dosa and the vade and all. Not that hotel one shitty thing. Really taste. Just taste. So today's plan is once I reach to Hampi, I will do the check-in. I'm not staying in the Hampi city. I am like 12 kilometers before of that. That is a place called Hospet, where from that place my friend Prajwal belongs to, and I will stay there, and then planning to have that trekking that where the Lord Himalayan that spot. Earlier in the ancient time it is known as Guesthouse, but now it is called as Anjanadri Hill. So I'm going to do that patch. I will try to enjoy the sunset, and then thinking to roam around with the local market. And so let's see how it goes. So far, the ride, the road, and the bike is awesome. And we have reached Chitradurga now. Very soon, I will have my breakfast. It is. I'm waiting for so long to find a good restaurant, but as I stupid idiot, I'm not able to find any proper hotel. But it's okay. The ride is very smooth now, and almost see the scenic windmill farm of Chitradurga. So yeah, so far awesome. Travel is awesome. I don't have any time barrier. I can easily, but my check-in time is 1 a.m. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I don't have a hurry, and only 140 kilometers left. So hopefully 2 hours 21 minutes. I will take 3 hours. No issue. But I will go smooth. No antibody is required. It's a beautiful wind views. Sort of windy Chitradurga. So from here I need to take the right part after some. So there is one route which is going toward the Chitradurga city, and one it's a bypass. So I have to take the right, and it's a beautiful road. It's like it has been constructed. I don't know how, but I went so many times with that bypass road. Earlier when this bypass was not built, so we have to traverse through the whole Chitradurga city and then go towards Hubli. So this is the route where you will go toward the Chitradurga city, and this is the bypass. So I'm taking the bypass now. Look at the view, so awesome, lots of windmills. So to one side this is totally coconut trees, and here this side is wind farms. Awesome. So I think I'm going to stop at my used to breakfast spot in this route. Another 4 to 5 kilometers away. But I'm not damn hungry. So I need to stop. Another fellow rider is going. He's having KTM Duke 390. Nicely is cruising. Don't we? I'm also cruising very nicely. No barrier, no nothing, no problem. Just me, road, bike. That's it. And of course, this beautiful weather along with the scenic views. So actually, I feed my bike. My bike's tummy is full, but my tummy is empty. Where is the hotel? Where is the hotel? So finally, breakfast is finished. 130 kilometers more to cover. Let's roll. Baby's stomach is full, my stomach is full. Now you can see the beautiful views of Chitradurga. Now there will be one circle that I have to take left, and then you have to go to a right. Eventually that will be coming. After 4.2 kilometers, the turn will come. Okay. Basically, Chitradurga is more about the hills and wind farm, rocky hills, not like a lush green hills which we used to see in the other places. So pretty much beautiful. This place is having its own beauty that can't match others. But this patch is a little windy. You must say that the wind forms so beautiful. This place is also connected with some history. There is a fort. There is a history. I have forgotten the history, but yeah, that is one of the amazing places. If someone is visiting Chitradurga, can explore. Hospet, so that is and board it is showing 133 kilometer, but in my map it's the hotel is 126 kilometer. There is a 7 kilometer difference. Goa is 404. That was not found. But this time I'm not going to go Goa. Now I have to take left from this circle. Okay. So today, new route. Seriously, I'm finding new routes. Okay, see the view, man. I don't know whether this guy is going. This guy is also that side. So yeah, Hospet, I'm coming. Oh, awesome. What a view. So finally, this is the first time I'm taking this route. Now only 124 kilometer, 124 kilometer I need to cover on this patch. This is Hampi road. Yeah, some photos. Yeah, awesome. I came from Bangalore. I don't want to go to Bangalore now. I see that view, the weather. Oh, awesome, man. That is what I need. Seriously. I become a Banzara. Ghume banjare, ghume bandaniya, yes, I don't know, aage hoga kya? Just cruise it nicely. See the sea, beauty of this place. ऐसे नज़ारों को देख के क्यों ना हमारी थकान मिटेगी। लाइफ में चाहिए ही और क्या है। Nothing much needed from life. Now slowly it's afternoon is approaching, right, and the heat is coming up now. Too much signing. I saw in a video while going to this route, right, there will be one place where one river is the river it will come on the left hand side, and it was a very scenic river. Very soon we were also going to see that river. Yeah, there we will take some pics. UP Dhaba. Hey, I don't find a good dhabas here, man. this route especially, all hi-fi, the decency of that highway dhaba is gone. I'm having a same feeling when I was going from Pune to this one, Shirdi. The roads was like the same, like this only. That totally entire patch was surrounded by the hills. Views were awesome. Someone says very nicely, life is journey. We just need to explore. You should sit and thinking, okay, this is not my time, this is not my time. I will go today, tomorrow, next time, like that. I don't have time. It won't work like that. Life requires only you see the view. I need to take a pic over here.
Deixa os garotos brincar.
This is Tungabhadra river. It's amazing. See how huge the river is. Now let's go. Keep moving. The river is amazing. Oh, कितना अच्छा रहता है सामने ब्रिज में जाने को मिलता है, मतलब नीचे जाने को मिलता है. There will be some path, but I don't know how to go. Oh, awesome. Tunnel also came. Take this bridge and go that side. And if you go straight, you will go to Badami. Oh, what a scene, man. It's totally worth it to come here. Only 4 kilometers away. I have to take this. Some road is here. This one I have to take and go.